In April 2011, a French father committed the perfect family murder and vanished into thin air. Xavier Dupont de Ligonnès killed his wife and 4 children in their home in Nantes. But this wasn't a crime of passion. This was calculated. For months before the murders, he told everyone elaborate lies. He said his family was moving to Australia for witness protection. He even forged official documents from American authorities. After killing them, he buried the bodies under his backyard terrace. Then he sent fake postcards to relatives, pretending his family was alive and well. Security cameras caught him leaving town with 2 suitcases. Then he disappeared completely. French police launched one of the biggest manhunts in their history. They searched across Europe. Interpol got involved. Thousands of people reported sightings. But Xavier was gone, like he never existed. For over a decade, France has been obsessed with this case. How does someone vanish so completely in the modern world? The answer's still out there somewhere. And so is Xavier.